long and prosper.
Ladies, where are you from?
China.
Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Oh, I'm speaking to you, not Bumblebee. Ni hao. 我很好。谢谢。再见。You are looking for Decepticon recruits?
Houston, we have a problem.
I'll say, Bumblebee. She does look like she's part of the corporate Decepticon empire with her purple tie.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Why would you come to the Autobots looking for recruits?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was looking for Bumblebee. You told me that Bumblebee might be interested.
What? Bumblebee. Oh, I know. This is Yes, I know Bumblebee. It's because of his double agent status. Not to worry. Bumblebee is solidly an Autobot, ma'am. You've come knocking on the wrong door.
But I brought stickers.
Bumblebee, don't be tempted by stickers again. You know how many times you've been tempted by stickers. Bumblebee, don't give in. He's a Decepticon. How did you know his weakness so well? Stickers. That sticker's laced with poison. Ma'am, what is your name? Natalie. Everyone, keep your optics on Natalie. She's an agent of Megatron. Yes, a rather cheerful agent, if you ask me. And who is this, your assistant?
Actually, this is Jess. It's her birthday today.
Oh, Jess.
She was my first recruit.
Nice. Really?
That's the way that
Jess, there is still time for you to recant of your decision. Bumblebee, I know. It disappoints me when the humans give in to Megatron's temptations.
I'm not alone.
What? There's more of you?
I actually have 3.
Nonetheless, we cannot condone these actions. But we will take a picture with you. It gives me no comfort to know what Megatron appreciates. You tell Megatron I'm waiting for him.